How to loop songs on Spotify mobile. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Spotify app. Okay, let's say for example I'm playing this song that I'm currently listening to, right? Unfortunately for now it is not available for normal Spotify users to actually loop one specific song. Okay, but there is alternative choice behind that. You can just go back right here by clicking, go back to the main page of the Spotify, and you're gonna go ahead to your library at the below right. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the plus button at the top right, and I'm gonna go ahead into creating a playlist, and I'm gonna name this playlist something like related to this. So I'm gonna just go ahead into creating. Okay, and I'm gonna add to this playlist. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and add. All right, and I'm gonna add the same specific song, okay, inside the playlist. Okay, so I'm gonna add the song, for example. Okay, all right, and it says right here it is added to this playlist. Okay, now as you can see the song has been added to my playlist. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add to this playlist again. Okay, and I'm gonna add the same specific song with a different remix. Okay, so you will see the same specific song have like a bunch of remix. Okay, and you can add them to your playlist so you can actually listen to it a bunch of times, but slightly different. Okay, so unfortunately a traditional way to loop song on Spotify, it is not available except for Spotify premium users, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.